In mid-2026, OpenAI decommissioned its Sora platform, pivoting its research focus away from video and toward dense reasoning architectures. This withdrawal left a structural void in the creative artificial intelligence market. The race for cinematic machine intelligence narrowed to a small group of foundational models. Google DeepMind moved to capture this territory by deploying Veo 3.1, seeking to establish Western control over synthetic media. Alibaba Group disrupted this attempt with the general availability release of Wan 3.0, also known as Tongyi Wanshang 3.0. Wan 3.0 functions as an expansive multimodal pipeline. It is engineered to ingest complex corporate data and output full HD video, altering the global economic feasibility of AI-driven production. This matrix shows the late 2026 AI video market. With Sora discontinued, cost and duration define the active field. Google Veo costs 35 cents per second. Runway reaches 40 cents. Wan 3.0 delivers 30 seconds for 15 cents, a 50% reduction. This table tracks Alibaba's rapid development. Between 2025 and 2026, they doubled the maximum duration from 15 to 30 seconds and expanded input modalities to include Excel, PowerPoint, and web URLs. To understand the engineering behind this shift, we have to deconstruct the 18 billion active multimodal parameters powering this architecture. In the current landscape, market leadership belongs to the architecture providing the highest structural permanence at the most sustainable operational cost. Historically, the primary friction in AI video workflows was a heavy reliance on fragile, syntax-heavy text prompts. This manual prompt engineering often results in poor narrative coherence, where consecutive shots suffer from disjointed visual transitions. Wan 3.0 solves this by embedding a specialized multimodal document understanding layer into the generation pipeline. Users can input raw corporate files, like a 20-page white paper or a product URL, directly into the engine. The model's vision language encoder parses the document hierarchy and converts the data into an orchestrated cinematic storyboard with synchronized narration, bypassing manual text input entirely. This allows organizations to programmatically convert product catalogs or technical knowledge bases into video assets at scale. Native document ingestion removes the barrier between static knowledge and dynamic cinema, allowing production to scale without massive post-production departments. Sustaining high-fidelity video over 30 seconds requires overcoming noise drift. This is a phenomenon where geometry warps and collapses once a model generates more than 5 or 10 seconds of continuous footage. Alibaba addresses this with a 3D spatiotemporal variational autoencoder paired with a massive 18 billion parameter diffusion transformer, or DIT backbone. Most models treat video as a sequence of isolated 2D image slices. Wan 3.0 discards this approach. Its DIT backbone conceptualizes temporal frames as a continuous 4D space-time manifold, locking structural elements in place along the entire 30-second timeline. Physical laws, including gravity, fluid dynamics, and cloth inertia, are mathematically embedded within the model's cross-attention mechanisms. This architecture results in a 92.8 out of 100 identity retention score across 720 continuous frames. Preserving physical symmetry over long durations requires an inherent computational understanding of physics. This is what separates viable commercial tools from experimental novelties. This physics engine is paired with a director-level camera control suite for advanced cinematography. Creators can use exact Cartesian vector coordinates to map complex sweeps, crane movements, and dolly zooms, allowing precise control without relying on natural language descriptions. The platform also features an integrated audio-visual synthesis engine. The system programmatically constructs a studio-grade 48 kHz stereo soundscape that synchronizes natively with on-screen visual events. Contextual Foley sound effects, like footsteps on wet stone or distant thunder, are mapped to exact millisecond timestamps on the timeline. For spoken dialogue, the model performs phoneme-level lip synchronization across dozens of global languages, matching microfacial muscle dynamics with high realism. This end-to-end integration of audio and video modalities creates a complete sensory simulation, bypassing the need for external editing and synchronization workflows. The primary constraint on enterprise video adoption is the excessive cost of GPU compute. This chart compares the expenditure for a 30-second commercial reel. Runway costs $12. Google Veo 3.1 costs $10.50. One 3.0 costs only $4.50. Alibaba achieved this through proprietary CUDA optimizations and distributed memory scheduling, creating a platform with optimized hardware efficiency. This results in an aggressive price floor, 8 cents per second for 720p output and 15 cents per second for full 1080p generation. By halving compute costs, Alibaba has unlocked high-volume automated video generation for millions of smaller enterprises that were previously priced out of the market. Cost efficiency allows for seamless professional integration via standard RESTful API endpoints, plugging directly into digital content creation pipelines. Narrative game designers use this to conduct rapid, iterative pre-visualization, testing cinematic concepts before committing expensive 3D assets to Unreal Engine 5. The Tekin Strategic Scorecard gives Wan 3.0 and 9.6 rating, labeling it a multimodal masterpiece that collapses creative cycles from weeks to minutes. The generative video sector has matured into an industrial utility. By delivering broadcast-quality synthesis at half the prevailing market cost, Asian AI enterprises have firmly seized the post-Sora hierarchy.